This is a 2008 Mercury Mountaineer, and it's the same for the Ford Explorer. Covers multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the headlight out to change the headlight bulb or replace the assembly. This one's a little different. It's not a bolt-on. It's a little trick to it. First thing you do is open the hood, and if this light were out, we needed to change it. Sometimes you could reach from behind, but on this model you really can't. So what you want to look for is these tabs here on the top. They're slides, and this one, you pull it out. Sometimes you have to use a screwdriver or a plier. They came out pretty easy. You want to kind of worm it out. And there it is, it came right out. And if to take the light out or a bulb, just basically twist it. And there it is. If you want to take the bulb out, you just pull on it. You need two hands to do this. You just pull it out of the socket real hard and it comes out. And then if you look at the bottom of the bulb, there's numbers. It tells you what the bulb is so you can reorder it. This is a 3157A. Try to focus in on that. 3157A. If you need to get the headlight out, same thing. I'm just going to disconnect the wire here. If you want to disconnect the wire, you just press this little button and pull. Disconnect this wire so you can pull the assembly out. And then the same thing would take place here. We would twist this out. You have to use a plier on this one. Done the same way, you're going to twist this, the light will come out, and then you have the socket. Twist it with the pliers real quick. Boom. There's the light bulb. This is a one-piece assembly, so we would replace the entire light.